Hello, welcome to episode 682 of the show. Um, Sorry I'm late, but my God, man, I don't know. I was like, oh, all right, well, it's been a while. Bitcoin's not being volatile. I mean, maybe it'll happen tonight, but maybe it won't. I mean, Prodigal Taurus, someone part of our community, a friend, he like rolled through Birmingham, went to go out, hang out with him. And yeah, we were drinking and talking, and oh, Bitcoin dumps, man. It's like, there you go. Good timing. So I'm late because of that, and you know, a little inebriated, and it's like, whatever. Okay, I was having time to myself, and then Bitcoin does this, and it's like, all right, well, we got to talk about it, I guess, like for a little bit. Looking at the 60-minute, and remember that old idea of the Gartley stuff, right? The 786 was hit. You're up on it, right? Nearly 9,800. You got as low as 96. What was it? It's not showing me. Yeah, it was like 95, 92 or so. You got as that low. And so what is it, man? What is these four horizontal lines, like we've had them plotted here, just sitting there, and you hit the bottom, and what is that? That's like a square up. There's like legit a square up from September 1st at 96.35. You hit it, you bounced, man. That's it. So you're still like, you were at the top of the range, you were in the middle of the range, and it's like the whole time. Like anytime we're analyzing Bitcoin, we're looking at the 60 minutes, like you're not really at a low risk area here or here or here or here, but maybe here. And I've seen people like in chat looking through it briefly, like when the stream was starting, that some people like had limit buys set up down here. But I remember those same people talking about they had limit buys set up down there anyway because they had already plotted it, which is pretty cool. And we'll see if it plays. It might not, right? It might just be so bad that we're screwed. But it's a potential Gartley, right? And it hit the pattern completion zone and bounced. And mother God, I mean, last time we've been this oversold was August 13th. August 13th. Wow, what a plunge, man. So, but August 13th, that was before we dumped even more. But when we dumped that second time, we showed the 60-minute divergence, and then the bounce came, and that's when we created the channel we're in at the bottom portion of it. All right, we've been at this bottom many a time over the course of the past nearly 80 days. Good God, getting there. Anyway, got you definitely monkey S-ing, right? The whole altcoin market freaked out, but weren't we like watching and looking at them and saying, hey man, these are all like overbought, right? So they could like pull back. It would make sense. And maybe it took Bitcoin to make all that happen. And that's okay. So yeah, this little upsloping support was broken once it broke. Knocked straight down. But guess what, man? What did we bounce off of? What is this trend line? Why is it here? Why is this one here, right? There are only two of them that I've got plotted right now. You gotta go to the daily to know. There it is, the bounce. Take a look. Just do this, man.
Oh, would you look at that?
It's this area. It bounced off that 9,600 spot, right? This is like a support zone between 9,800 and 9,631, man. Like, you can't fall below that. It'd be real bad if you do. And that's what we bounced off of. Like, support again. Another effing support. And it'll be interesting because, like, on the daily, you just hit 39, so you're starting to get into bearish territory. You're not making your first negative histogram wick since September 2nd. So it's been a minute since we've seen the negative Momo on the daily, but it is now here as the positive Momo waned into nothingness. Hello? Are y'all there? Oh, dude, it's doing it, man. I must thwart the Streamlabs, and then we can continue the journey together. I got this, man. Let's go, dude. We got it, dude. We got it. All right, so maybe we take a look, or agenda. I mean, again, look. What we're looking at is the daily time scale Bitcoin chart in the equidistant channel, right? The 60 minutes potential Gartley. Holy crap. If that played out, I'd lose my mind. I don't even know what I'd tell you if a 60-minute bullish Gartley was what would ushered in the bullish continuation, right, of the crazy run we've had all year. And it may not happen. It may not. It's not a very big pattern at all. It's like you see it X, A, B, C, D. There is no divergence, okay? It's not that great. It's just one scrub Gartley, but we'll see how the scrub Gartley maybe plays out. He's so crazy, dude. But holding support, very, very good thing for now, but it could continue. Let's, what is that plotted right there? You're now back inside the zone, that support resistance zone. You don't want to fall like below that, okay? As you did here. Don't do it, man. Let's go to that tether chart. We'll look at the alts, dude. Just everyone calm down. I know everyone's freaking out in chat. It's late. You should be sleeping, maybe. But you're not. Okay, so Big Monk S, man. This is the first time I'm seeing it, dude. I just got home. All right, so look here. Listen. Appearing offline does not effing stop it. Sorry, that's Wings of Redemption. Rage mode, internet stuff. Don't worry about it. All right, so hitting that upsloping support as you've done before, you're doing it again. And if you break this, there's gonna be maybe some support at 89.22, 9,089, as you've seen before. But if maybe this upsloping support is where all the buy orders are, propping the price up, and there are none like it here, it could be much more violent. You could break through this support, 82.50, but the measure move of the pattern, once we break this contraction, because it's not really strong. I'm saying it's not, I mean, you're holding now, it's good, but you're not even testing the top of the resistance, right? That downslipping resistance. You haven't done that since August 5th. You ran up and you couldn't even get to it again. So not looking that great, not looking that strong, but there's always the 60-minute Gartley that could play a role. And we'll see how that goes. Your negative Momo, again, it's like normally you don't just have one negative histogram wick, you have multiple negative histogram wicks. All right, so just keep that in mind. We just started building it. But dang, if the volume's not terrible on the sell-off, not like if you look at the daily, it's not even that violent. It's not really that violent, dude, right? For Bitcoin. The only people that should be scared today are the people who FOMO'd into alts after like a couple insane days. When you had the opportunity, people had the opportunity to get in on alts before all this insanity happened, because it was being shown by the daily oscillators, the coinciding variables on these S coins. Okay, man. Holy crap. Good to see y'all. Probably didn't help cutting rates because, well, I mean, maybe it's okay because it's going to be easier to get money, right? And yeah, money's gonna probably go into equities. Who knows? I mean, just remember, like, when all the bad crashes and the recessions like start and stuff, it's normally in Q4, quarter four, and we're like, well, we're like there. Okay, so we'll just say, like, okay, 1987, the first trading day of my life, because I was born October 17th on a Saturday, and then Black Monday came around. Yeah, markets dumped like tremendously. So, and that was, you know, like, and then the global financial crisis, it happened, I think, in October or November. Like, just, it's kind of a thing that happens. So it's coming. And so, like, last year I was like Monkey S a little bit, just based on the fact that a lot of times when crashes happen, it's in Q4. So Monkey S territory. It's like tornado season, okay? I have to deal with tornado season, okay? Think about it like that for global markets that are 10 and a half years into a cycle. Okay, Monkey S every year until it happens, right? A little bit. Remember, the average is like 6 years since 1929. So there's something to think about, man. I don't know, dude. Yeah, let's look at alts. Sorry, I was gonna engage. I forgot to look at alts, man. I don't know. I drank a few beers, and I was having a good time with someone who's a part of this community, with all of us. All right, so. No. Oh no. Oh, excuse me. This is so bad. It's so bad. Is this the end for Ethereum? Is this the end, dude? People are freaking out. Okay, and that's what I'm just saying. Like, I don't know. Yeah, you're bearishly engulfing after what, man? What is that, chat? What is that on the daily for Ethereum? What pattern? Japanese candlestick. What is it, dude? Someone tell me? It'd be a lot cooler if you did. Of course, James. Of course it was a Wings of Redemption reference. Very good. So where's the wheel, Doug Bernard? I mean, I guess you can summon it. I don't even know if I have it set up on this PC. Oh, crap. I do. Oh, look, the last thing it landed on was Chug. Oh, God. So embarrassing. But, dude, I don't even know, man. I'm already lit, dude. Okay, I had some beers. We were waiting for the Gartley High Desert Garden, man. Well, we'll see how it plays out. Like, I mean, maybe it wasn't... It was like touching overbought territory on Ethereum, like on the daily. And let me see. What is that? How would it be a Marabazoo, Brett? You're just literally guessing. How in the F could this candle right there, yes, this one, be a Marabazoo? It's like inverse Marabazoo, dude. Shooting star. Yes. You could say it's an inverted hammer too, yeah. But like an inverted hammer is normally like on the bullish side. Alright, and it's like a bullish reversal. I know it's weird. This is more so like a shooting star. Or, yeah, bearish hammer, you could call it. Okay, there are multiple terms for it. But it is certainly a reversal. And as you can see, the fall to price action, pretty good. But we don't know how deep this is going to... Dude, this could just make a little scrub flag. And it could just build a continuation pattern, consolidation, and then break to the upside again. Mike D, man. Thanks for sub, man. Welcome, dude. It's not Matt Damon. It's Mike D, man. It's like another universe form of Matt Damon, okay? But he looks like Ben Affleck or something, right? Okay. Good stuff. A little bit of education. Why not? You couldn't break 215, 216. You got so close to that golden zone. But the macro pulled you back, man. the macro. The Bitcoin itself made this happen, and it wasn't even that bad. It was only bad if you FOMO'd in the past couple days. And even then, it probably wasn't even that bad. It was only real bad, if you like FOMO'd in like yesterday at the top, dude. It's like, but again, it could continue to sell off. You get impulses, you look for consolidation, pattern development, and then after that's developed, we talk about it. There might be opportunity for another move to the upside to hit these other levels, right? It happens, man. It happens. It happens when your oscillators go stupid. They go Chernobyl 75, not too bad. 82, pretty freaking bad. Last time we were at 82 on the RSI was back in June 26th, which was what? The top of the entire crypto euphoria, crypto fever of 2019. June 26th. That was the pinnacle, man. The climax. 3,000 concurrent viewer insanity this day. All right. Times have changed. Just a little bit. So look, man. Okay, up thrust. Ethereum on 4 hour. Remember the channel that was down sloping? You broke it, but you could not sustain outside of it, and now you are falling back into it. Too high, too fast. Too much resistance with being up there, with being really way too overbought. So you're back down to 54, 55 neutral areas. You've just begun to build negative Momo. Well, you did yesterday just a little bit, but there's the follow through histogram wick. So maybe we just get a flag, pennant, triangle, rectangle, whatever it may be, and maybe we run again and break this, but maybe not. Okay. Hello, is anyone even there? Dude, I don't know. How am I doing for slight inebriation? Am I doing okay, chat? I don't know. I'm leaning, dude. I'm like sideways, dude. Been like sitting sideways like Paul Wall this whole analysis. Dude, I don't know. What's up, John Torpy, man? Is everyone in panic mode? God, I hope not. I don't know. I was getting messages from everyone under the sun about this. I was just hanging out at a bar with a friend. Someone watches the stream, part of the community. I'm like, all right, I guess I'll get back and go live. Chop and Brock, I just don't know, man, if there will be enough Bitcoin at 8,500. Probably, dude. What's up, Blessed 1V? Lost Your Gun. Tyler M. That's right, late night edition. It's in the title. Was that important to say? Paraflow says, look at other alts. Look at other alts like XRP. Find out what it means to me. And it meant to me that you broke the down sloping channel and you're back inside it now. Big dump. I think Bradford was talking about a 50% retrace. Excuse me. So yeah, you're in it. You're back in it like Ethereum. Much more violent of a move down when at one time today you were sitting at nearly 33 cents, back to peasant levels, 29 cents. But being at 29 cents just a few days ago, you were at 25 cents. You're at 4 cents still. But will it hold? Well, you look at Ethereum and it seems like, all right, that's not too volatile of a move down. Maybe some nice pattern could develop. This red candle isn't, like what pattern's going to develop. Maybe we get a falling wedge, or maybe we get a rectangle or something, but it's a little less clear here. All right? I mean, look how overbought you were. You were just hanging out, making higher highs with the same levels of relative strength. That's Class C, bearish divergence, 82.61. That RSI, man. All right. Lots of volume came in. About time. So it's very interesting because if you look left on XRP, it's like you're in that little, remember you broke it, and now I think the max threshold for this little support now that was once resistance is at right around 28.809 cents, right? You need to hold above that. I mean, I know it can go lower to like, it's that 28 cent area. There's wicks everywhere, dude. Redo Gordo. Thanks so much for the sub, man. Welcome, dude. The names, man. It's just tough. It's not as easy. All right, sometimes. Thanks for the 445 people here. And Mother of God, man. Thanks for the 100 likes, man. Fantastic, dude. We've only been live for 25 minutes and y'all giving me 100 likes. Y'all like me? I freaking love y'all. Holy crap, dude. Thanks, man.
You make me laugh. Keep up the good work and shout out to your hard-working team.
Dude, it's like the whole freaking stream is like the team, dude. Thank you, Six, dude. I mean, I tell y'all, I mean, without y'all, I can't engage and I can't answer questions and I can't, find things, opportunities. I mean, I can do it, but like having you do it too and talk about it in the chat is so important to the stream. And so it's like, it is a team effort to keep the stream going, certainly. And it requires everyone here. And that's freaking lit, man. And on.
Cheers. This one is on me.
Dude, thank you for this one, but one's a vague pronoun. And forgive me for saying, but I don't know what that vague pronoun is. This one. This one, man? Thank you, dude. Got a really big team. We need some really big rings. We need some rangs, dude. Oh man. Anyway, so XRP, interesting spot, right? You want to hold here. You want to try to hold above 28.505 cents, man. Like that's when you break something, you back test it. If you can hold it, man, you could have some serious gains ahead of you. And you're at it, man. You don't want to fall below it. So if you hold long enough, after resetting that oscillator like crazy, right? 54.59. Dude, remember, common retrace levels. And someone was asking me about Fibonacciing here on XRP. I don't understand what the question is, whoever you are, and it's my bad just not remembering right now, but you asked me in the YouTube chat, and you're like, well, how do you fib for XRP? Because you're looking at a wick on the top and then like a candle close on the bottom. I'm like, wait, what? Because I've literally Fibonacci'd from the height on the wick to the low point on the wick. So you had me, because I wasn't at my PC, I was like, what does he mean? Maybe I'm just stupid and it was like close, but now I'm looking back at it and I'm like, no, dude, I'm literally going wick to wick, not wick to candle close. So if you're out there, just let me know, but I'll get back with you. It's tough to get to everything. All right, I'll get to the message, man. But XRP on the daily, come on. Really? Look, you got plenty of time here to recover and close above 29.399. All right. It's pretty serious business, man. Yeah, all right. So all these candle closes you're at. John T.
XLM is still chilling up there. Hope you're having a good day, Mitch.
Mr. Torpy, man, thanks for the freaking threes, dude. Having a great day. Great, grand, wonderful. And yeah, I mean, now the day that was is now a day of pullback, which again, when you get overbought, right, John T, man, pullbacks happen sometimes like this. And it really probably isn't the alt's fault. It's pretty much Bitcoin. Who knows, man? Maybe the composite operator is, hey man, everything's overbought. All right, time to dump Bitcoin to make those alts, cool off on their oscillators. Who knows, man? In this crazy world. Thank you, dude. So you see exactly where we are. There's like another candle close right there. So you broke it. You're back testing it. Hope for strength from now until the next, till the end of the day tomorrow, or today, I guess, which will be at 8 p.m. Eastern. Okay, will be, that's a while from now. So just hope for strength here on the touch. Holding above this could be momentous, man. All right, that's all. That's not really that big a deal. Like, it went way high, dude. That's real fast. How fast you went up there. So this is good. You want to back test. And these are areas where traders do take entries on the back tests. Of course, it can fail and can engulf and just keep selling off, whatever. But this is good price action. This is normal, healthy price action that you see when you break out, you back test. Okay. Extremely too overbought on smaller, less significant time scales. So you see red candles in the middle of the day, right? It's just a red candle for now. Okay. Sweet. XRP, Connect. Oh, Litecoin down nearly 6%. Oh, at this time, hold on, sorry, let me get out of the daily, let me get to the, wow, that's the 3 hour. Dead to 4 hour. Okay, so, that was only 3 hour bearish divergence. Not so good, man. All right, so on this one that was so nice of a breakout, what happened? Chat, why are these trend lines plotted? 72. Did I not talk about this in the day stream? What could happen? It could come back and test 7250. Can we just go watch the day stream Litecoin, the first Litecoin analysis I did? And literally that was like something that can happen. You break it and then you could back test it. Now, I know we got the break it and go initially, but it's done since then. What's up, fishing man?
Start fishing, I'll tip $25. Jackpot, jackpot, jackpot.
Jackpot! Oh. It would have been scary, man. It would have been, I don't even know. I'd be so drunk on the stream if I chugged a beer right now. And the only beer I have is IPA, craft beer. So it wouldn't even be like water beer. It would be super muck-ass for me. All right. Super poggers for y'all, though, right? It would be different emotions on different sides. All right. So surf fishing, Fort Morgan, Alabama, man, right? Do you see what we're doing on Litecoin as we have run up near the 236? It's almost close enough to where you could say, yeah, that's the major swing low. You hadn't confirmed it, but it's very close. I just think that you are holding. Look, there is a zone here I've had plotted, and you're just back testing it for now. You're not making lower lows, are you? No, not yet. You could. Just something like that, all right? Where you had no candle close outside of the upsloping channel. 1 and 2 on the bottom, 3 on the top. There you have it, man. These up thrusts. Up thrusts occur not only on horizontal line resistances, right? They also occur at upsloping resistances.
Is that a joint?
Dude, my peripheral on the E-line.
Shake and bake.
Shake and bake. If you don't like red gum, F you. Sir Edwards, thanks so much for the 420 contribution, man. Oh my God. I haven't seen that in a while. I need to, okay, because it makes fun of somewhere that is 45 minutes from where I reside. So definitely need to rewatch that. And there's the redheaded kid. He's going to come at you like a spider monkey. All right. Wow. And then XRP Fanboy literally says it as I say it. XRP Fanboy. Are you kidding me, dude? Are you effing kidding me? The Elite's wise up. Welcome, dude. Welcome to the stream, man. Say something in chat if you're here. You might not be, but thanks, dude. Really appreciate that. You never know, because I did a static video today. Oh my god. My sound effects are super loud. Yeah, Gritters, man. I'm having issues, dude, because it's like... Let me turn my... It's just weird. I don't have speakers. I have, like... There are definitely investments I could make to my backup battle station to make it better. Okay, certainly. But thank God I have a backup battle station, chat, because you have to realize, breaking news, newsflash, my main battle station is like ruined right now. Like Windows is completely corrupted. With the new update, it's over, dude. It's like straight up over for my main battle station. We're gonna try our best to get everything copied to the new solid state, but that's like kind of good. But there's so much more that has to go into it for me. What I have to do for my streaming, my stream deck and OBS. Yeah, dude, it's terrible, and it's like.
Is that a joint?
420 bit crypto, man. Thanks for the sub, dude. That was for you, dude. Elon says, is that a joint? Because you said 420, man. Get it, dude. Ha, hilarious. Fat Sats, dude. Oh my God. I don't know what to tell you, man. Is there even a stream deck? Stream deck. Let me turn this down. Hold on. Well, hey, try this, dude. All right. Just give me a sec.
Is that a joint?
Is it still really loud?
Is that a joint?
Dude, it's not going quieter. I'm looking at my mixer and it's just not working. Okay, it's still being extremely loud on my side, dude. Okay. Dude, I don't know. It's just it's terrible, dude. It's not great. It is terrible. All right, the only terribleness. Okay, dude. People getting wrecked. Well, FOMOers getting wrecked. I mean, Monero's down 10%, dude. That's rough. Dude. That's like I think lower than it started, right? But Cardano, man. Despite what happened, you can see, man, it's a nice impulse up on decent volume, and selling came in. But why? You know why? It was Bitcoin, man. So maybe, you know, Bitcoin sells off like that, holds for a while. Maybe these alts have the opportunity when Bitcoin volatility subsides again to run once more, right? To get to higher prices, to get to those targets. Maybe to get the measure move at least of the falling wedge pattern, 6.076 cents, man. It's not that loud and you have headphones on. I don't know, man. XRP, boy, you get it, dude. You get it, dude. You're gonna do. I'm gonna windmill you, dude. I will windmill you. Sam, if you've been having issues with Windows, dude, I don't know, man, what it is. I have the top of the line hardware, and it now literally got so bad that it has literally essed itself, and it's over. And it's like a funeral, dude. It's like literally right. It hit me right here, dude. It's like the day of, and it's awful, man. Yeah, Jay Fretless, I did, man. I'm fed up with what they're doing. I don't like what the direction they're going. I don't like it, and they just don't deserve. Like, I'll just not get tips, right? If it's too much for someone to go down in the description to tip instead of hitting the dollar button that YouTube put up there and they take 30% of it, then I'll just literally not get tips. It's okay. Like I'm done with them. It's like I'm making like a stand against them. They're not helping me anyway, right? They're just letting me stream on their platform, right?
As always, my friend, it was a pleasure and honor to share some time, conversation and beers with you. Driving through Talladega right now. Shake and bake.
Oh my god, dude. Going through Talladega, dude. Yeah, be careful out there, alright? They're coming for you. You might get into racing. Don't do it, dude. Don't do it. Thanks, man, for the 618. Yeah, Prodigal, man. It was fun hanging out. And we'll do it again, man. And coming back through. Hit me up, dude. We'll get some to eat. Kangs, man. So many twos, Rick Schmitz, man. Gartley is ushering in this continuation. We will see. Dude, a 60-minute. So that's like, it's not the strongest. We're going to put the Gartley to the test on the 60-minute. And even if it fails, we know how powerful the Gartley is. But dang, dude, if it succeeded on the 60-minute for real, I might do something stupid. And I don't even know what it'd be, okay? Because the Gartleys just keep showing up and they keep playing out like no one's business. No other harmonics business do, right? Holy crap. So, yeah, big sell-off ADA and these other alts. No surprise after such a momentous rally to the upside after the breakouts of them all. Neo down 6+%. When at one time today was at $10.28.88. Got as low as $9.34.6. Not a big deal. Why? I mean, it always sucks, dude. You selling off to back test some looks like old resistance, maybe now support from September, early September, right? The whole first few days, right? First 7 to 10 days support. That was once resistance, right? So trying to hold that. Pretty violent drop. Unlike Ethereum's drop wasn't too bad, which is pretty nice to see. It's like, oh well, that's it. 214 to 204 in crypto. That's really not a bad drop. But one thing is important here, and it is to stay outside. Oh, Safa, what's up, dude? Thank you for the sub. To stay outside the downsloping resistance, right? We're out, man. We come all the way back down. $8.88.8. Let's go, King Logan. Never quite got to that 50%, right? Right here. High to low. That's pretty much 50% retrace, I think. It's just B. And that's like just like the one of the targets for these patterns, these butterflies. Oh, how does it garden? Oh my god, the panda's flying to the moon, man. And there's the monkey looking at him, dude. Garlic Connect. Yes. Yes. Linux Connect, dude? Maybe. Where is the Garlic? Where's the lamb sauce? Psycho GHP, man. You understand where is it? Where's the lamb sauce? This is the Gartley, dude. 60-minute is where it resides. So here we are, man. So from there, it's squared up, but is also trying to rally. It may be a scrub rally and get destroyed, but for now, man, I'm telling you, there it is. 618-ish area, 786, lower high, above 382. Craig, hype, the J&J.
Looking forward to matching socials tomorrow, Thursday stream.
I'm sorry, dude. I'm sorry about the echo. I swear I'm so sorry, dude. Like, I can't stop it, man. Streamlabs can't keep getting away with it. Can someone plug in the Breaking Bad gif of Jesse? Dude, holy crap. Oh, okay. It's bugged out, dude. It's so bugged out. It's not really $64.43. It's 64.42 XLM, dude. Not sure what that equates to. I don't care because I'm extremely grateful.
Is that a joint?
It's just bugged out.
Screw YouTube and their 30%.
Jay Fretless, man, thanks for the 420 contribution. Yeah, dude. Well, there you go, dude. It's part of their game. Dude, thank you, man. And Pepe the Noob.
Can you draw one of those white channels with a red center? And could you check our XMR? Bass Buzz Stream Brew.
Can I plot one? Now, I really appreciate the contribution, but I am a little... So I will look at XMR right now, but I'm confused on what you mean by can you draw one? Of course I can draw one and will, but are you saying like on a particular asset from a certain high to low? Or do you want me to do education on it? Because I can do that and show you how to plot it if you don't have one. I can show it to where you can do it on your TradingView, right? I just don't know what you mean, man. And again, bear with me, because you know. Okay, I've been out, and see, Monero's been out too, outside the downsloping resistance. But now, like me being back in, Monero is back in to the channel. Bros, man, holy crap, let's go!
Please play.
The volatility troll, man.
Volatility Troll tipped $59.58.
Holy crap,
I'm
dude.
back. Or am I capping?
Are you capping? Hey, I don't know, dude. I don't know, man. I think you're kind of back, but are you? Because we just looked at that 60-minute, and it's just gonna be like we don't know. Like it could easily fail, and we could dump and go to 8,500, and then 2K, whatever, right? But dang, man, there's that 60-minute Gartley that's really interesting, and it's like, will it play out? Volatility troll. It would be the ultimate troll to the bears, would it not? For the Gartley to usher in maybe the continuation of the rally. And how poetic would it be that the ushering in of the entire reversal back in December was a Gartley, and maybe now we're seeing one on a less significant time scale where everyone would write it off and say, nah, not enough coinciding variables, get screwed, Gartley. Nay, the Gartley says it will be time, right? It would be lit. But dude, again, it's not even hopium. It's just like, I don't know, man. We have no expectations, but it'd just be cool to see it, you know, like, huh, lit, dude, friggin' lit. Thank you, man, for the friggin' 59.58 hype in the chat for Volatility Troll, man. Whew. Wow. Blessed one be, yeah, a little bit, dude. It's okay, man. All right. I could have just been like, I'm too lit to go live, but then it's like, you know, dude, whatever. What's up, Matthias? Dustin Witt. You are so stoned, I'm killing you. What am I killing you on, dude? Am I not doing this right, chat? Joe, I can't, dude. I can't. It's against my nature to do that, all right? That's right, Young Love, dude. I haven't chat for movement at all on Bitcoin. Yes. Wow. What are you talking about? The lamb sauce, Kentema? You like that, dude? What a friggin' night, man. I was thinking about not going live because it was like I was out and could have like stayed out. I was like, I gotta come back, man. It'd be fun. We'll have a good time, dude. And it has been a fantastic evening so far. Y'all make it just so much fun. All right. Uh-oh. Dude, volatility troll's been being talked to now. You've been kidnapped, buddy. You've been dream walking. You've been sleepwalking, dude. Goose morning from the UK. Minky, goose morning to you too. It must be European. Kappa. Oh, that's ridiculous, man. Alright, so Monero back in. Not really what you're looking for, man. But is there some sort of support? Alright, you know, it's the question from Pepe was drawing the white channels, the red center. Sounds like a freak. You're making it sound like a freaking candy bar or something, dude. There it is, buddy. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the bottom, 1 on the top. The red center. Everything currency. Welcome, man. Thanks for the sub, dude. Look, dude. We're doing parallel channel education. You may be asking, how do I get that, man? I'm trading me. Well, you go down. Look, man, I'm sorry you can't see it, but it's the second one down. You open it and you go on down to the parallel channel, man. Right here. You click it. You click it. All right. 1, 2. Anchor points on the top or bottom. Right, 1, look, so it requires 3 touch points. So say you have like a, you know, price action like this, right? It requires at least 2 on the top, 1 on the bottom, right? Or the same way you can anchor from the other side, 1 and 2 on the bottom, and then you only need 1 on the top. So it's 3 minimum, 3 touch points minimum, but it's like 2 on one side, 1 on the other. There you go. Okay, man. What?
Watch your 6. You got snipers firing at you. Run, Forrest, run.
I'll only get hit in my buttocks. I'll be okay. Volatility troll, dude. Thank you so much for the 33. Dude, that is serious, man. Certainly serious. Holy yes. That made me just have to go pee. Alright, volatility troll. Do your worst. I'm gonna go run from the snipers and just break the seal. Actually, I think I already broke the seal, man. I'm just screwed. And I'm literally in outer space right now. Do you not see what's going on? This is real life, dude. It's not a joke. Alright. I'll be right back. Kangs. Thanks again. To the troll, man.
Sound of .308 rounds coming for you.
Blackout! Very nice. That's a nice touch if you literally meant, because 308 are blackout, right? That's, yeah, dude, you can get that. What is happening, dude?
My mom always taught me to buy when the RSI is below 18.
Did she? Wait, what? Is that... What does that mean? Does anyone know what that means? I don't know what we're talking about. Are you being literal on 18? Because that could be weird. Wow, that just wrecked my train of thought. Thank you, Shermanator. From American Pie. Thanks, dude. What am I supposed to... I don't even know, dude. Like... Alright, I gotta go to the bathroom. I'll be right back. Oh my god, thank you, dude.
Sensei.
Hello? Can you hear me? Anybody? What's the dot do? The dot. What does this tool do? What? What does this dot do? Over the cross. Hello? Oh my god. Anyway, so Monero Connect, Rec Connect, get back above $75 or you're screwed. Okay. Look how Link didn't get destroyed. Well, man, you know, it's kind of funny. Yeah, I mean, I want to say, dude. Do we go the daily on this? Do we go to log scale on this? Yes. Yes, we did. Hold on. Dude, come on. Support looking left. Divergence. After incessant selling. It broke the upside. And it has not broken out of the channel. Come on. Everything. It's like a story being told on the charts. For freaking Link, man.
Is that a joint?
Penis, 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 pee, pee, pee,
Oh, would you look at that?
I'm in the chat. Okay. So Link Connect. Speaking of TTS, Link. Lincoln logs, decentralized Lincoln logs. Can we break just complete doji, right? One of the assets in this market that did not lose a crap load, only lost some, and is right at kind of breaking even on the day. Yeah, right there, 0.01% gains, aka nothing. So it's like you ran up, but you didn't even test the resistance zone, the next one at 198 to 208. Big area right there. You could break that, might have a really nice run up to 275 or so. So very interesting, right? See on the daily, Link, it's on log. It has to be log scale, man. This thing went insane, dude. Membrane. Lost its effing mind, and look how well it makes sense, right? You're talking nearly $5 all the way down to 149. Exponential losses in a short period of time. Log scale seems completely appropriate, and as you can see the way it looks, it's perfect. It's perfect. It's giving us a perfect interpretation of what's going on right now. Wouldn't you agree? Yeah. Support zone, you hit it, you bounce on the divergence, yet you can't break the Momo shift trend line. Right? Let's go. Okay. I was just looking for one's not getting completely obliterated, man. Well, Maker. Maker's up nearly 4% today. Oh my god! Thing is, though, what is the thing? Oh, it's log scale. What is? Oh my god! Problem. The thing is, though, right? too deep of a B retrace. It's not a 61.8% retrace. It's nearly 70%. Too deep, man. But the idea was there, right? You use this was the one where we said you gotta maybe use some critical thinking here to see that there are 3 clear valleys, 3 clear lows, and each low you have a different level, a lower level of negative Momo. Since this has been plotted, the break to the upside has occurred, yet we're selling off now, and that's okay. That's okay. Let's see how it goes. We know without harmonics, say we have nothing to do with harmonics, we're just Wyckoff people. What? Oh my God, Ryan, I'll give you a Ryan Flugner right here, man. Dude, I want to knock his teeth out so he has to put his teeth back in, dude. All right, seriously.
Ryan Fluger firing this round. Just don't jump wide to your right and you should be safe.
Dude, it's below the belt. It's below the freaking shins. I think it resides at the feet level. Volatility troll, man. Hilarious how, think about the people watching. I think like 99.9% don't even know what we're talking about, but how deeply it affects me negatively. It's kind of hilarious, right? People are just like, who is that? I don't even know who that Ryan Flugner is. Who is that guy? Right? We'll have to Google him to know, I guess, right? Dude. So, yeah, there you go, man. There you go. Range-bound asset volatility troll and Maker Connect. It's up. Still after the sell-off, 4%. 805 was... Are you kidding? I mean, hold on. Not 805. 520 when at its lowest point. It was at 420.
Is that a joint?
Let's go. I'm getting really scared now because I don't know if volatility troll is for real or not. Like, in terms of, like, destroying me. Like, how much tenacity volatility troll is. We know drink troll tenacity levels were like, I mean, it's scary, right? And that's why I'm scared now because I don't know, right? Tenacity levels. It's scary. Jeez, I'm repeating myself like Leroy Jenkins would, and he'd be proud, man. What's happening, Chop and Brock, man? How you doing, dude? You would watch this, Mitch, all day. Best show ever. Thanks, Dustin Witt, dude. Yeah, well, unfortunately, not everyone else would, okay? Too kind of words, man. Too nice. All right. Mr. Ludwig's busy designing a clinking beer mug shirt. Hey, let's do it, man. Let's do it. Record numbers of sales incoming. All right. Log Connect, yep. Certainly. So Rob Fulton, man, well, you know, technical analysis isn't really, hey, in the next 12 hours it's going to do this or that. Maybe there are some people that try to do that. That's not the way I learned from people that really do this. All right, like it's just not the way I learned things. It's not a timing thing. It's an area thing. It's a coinciding variable thing. All right. Logan. Yeah, I guess I don't know. Tell you more about Link. Link was a young warrior from the Hyrule region. Okay, Link has done things, many things. Defeated Ganon dwarf. Defeated all Majora's Mask. Okay. Defeated many other things too. That's me telling you more about Link. All right. He protected Zelda. I don't know if they were related or not. I don't know, man. It could have been like Star Wars. They don't really ever tell you. They might tell you. I haven't played Zelda in a really long time. Okay, so I don't know. But I do know of that stuff somewhat. Thank you, Rob, dude. Well, dude, we're just hanging out, man. Like, you know, what are you gonna do, dude? Like, the market dumped. It's pumped. All right, pumped first. Dumped second. EOS Connect, all right? What happened, dude? Oh, no. It's all over for EOS. It's all over, dude. Ran up, hit a resistance. 425 resistance, right? You can see the candle high close right there. I had this wick, but there's all, yeah, of course, there's this one right here. Right there, that resistance you were not able to break, and that is where, well, you reversed. Oh, look at maybe a little bit of rounding action, right? And that's okay. That's not the worst thing in the world. Not at all.
Is that a joint?
What's up, David, man?
Hey Mitch, may you look at you/JP on the daily? Starting on April 24th is that harmonic pattern? Thanks for all the education you provide.
Thank you. Well, great. The 24th. August 24th, right? Certainly, looks like a cipher. Bearish cipher. Unless I've lost my effing mind. Hi, welcome to the big screen. We're Big Kangs, doing things. Mother of God. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bearish engulfing. Are you kidding me, man? No, no, no. What? Yes. Oh my goodness. How beautiful, chat. Can we please get some hype in the chat? I mean, my God, what else do you effing want from life on the charts? What else, dude? So how would one target profit taking levels if this was in fact to play out? Well, and Casey Stubbs way. Stop loss below or above X. Oh, what's up,
Terrain Nathaniel Lawrence. How is the crypto Kaido Joe doing? I had a dream about 589. Have you seen the dogs? There is cheese on the dark side of the moon. Sid Vicious lives. He survived Jim Jones' Kool-Aid. Nutella isn't bad, Mitch.
Yes. Jalen Hurts Thriesman. Thanks so much, dude, for the oh my God, the Hype King. Move that over a little bit. Jeez. Thank you for 589 contribution. And my God, 589's been not more we're closer to it than we've been in a while, man. Seriously, dude. Almost like, man, my music ended, so I must restart it. Okay. Deep breaths, chat. A new mix is upon us. Jalen Hurts might win Heisman, but he might not. All right. Nutella Studios, WRAY. Okay, man. It's a little loud. Turn it down again. But I dig the beats, man. I dig the beats, getting my soul bumping. All right. So targets the Casey Stubbs way.
Black people.
Yes. Thank you for the threes. So this is it, man. So it's already, you know, the 786, people have their limit shorts set up. And the selling has begun at the PCZ almost like clockwork, right? And so again, target, you got this too, man. Same entry, same stop, yet layering out at C. There it is, man. The perfect trade. I want to say that's a fan-effing-tastic contribution and showing that. I mean, for identifying it and bringing it up. Wow, David. David, are you a wrench? Because, dude, that's like Hype King levels, okay? Seriously. Of beauty. Now, let's go to the, we're on the 4 hour, all right? So, here's the thing, all right? And let this be for the sake of education, if anything. But David, chat, all of you, high on price, slightly higher high on price, lower levels of lower levels of relative strength. Absolutely inexistent levels of positive momentum from a high to the highest high. There was nothing here but negative momentum. That's even worse than Class A bearish divergence. Fan-effing-tastic. This is perfect. Okay? Perfect. That's it, dude. That's it, man. It's over, dude. Wow. I mean, good God, dude. I mean, why am I not just going to do this all effing night because of that, dude? Fantastic. So, taken aback by that. It's getting me emotional, man. It's perfect. Oh, man. It's too much. Y'all are amazing. Stumped. No, not stumped. This does not equal stumped at all. This equals perfect. Man, perfection and beauty. Too good to be true, man. It's like almost like, oh yeah. Couldn't be a have. I've definitely pulled up Litecoin to the US dollar today. And it's pulled back, but not too bad. Just to back test an old resistance as support. That's what it is so far, alright? Billy Langford. I'm sorry, I only know Lily Bangford now. Okay. Kappa. I swear if this Gartley plays out that way, I'll literally lose my mind. I'll literally go streaking somewhere. Probably. I can't make any promises. That's kind of crazy. Oh my god!
Volatility troll tip $25. I will be in here trolling your show with rude comments too if I didn't have any friends and no girls would talk to me. I'm just really irresponsible father who wants to see your liver swell.
Well, thank you for the liver swelling, but why not be just inebriation? We don't talk about the liver. It's all good, dude. I mean, hey. Dude, I'm like, being physically active, so it's like, whatever. Work out, protein, stay hydrated, then drink. And it's just like occasions, right? It's good, man. It's all good, dude. I've been rather tame since Vegas, man. And then before Vegas, in between all the trips, it's just been tame. So thank you, Volatility Troll. Holy crap, Volatility Troll is at 142.91 on the evening. He's not the recent. Why is that mixed up? What the? Gotta be kidding me, dude. I don't know why that did that. It's so weird. Dude, I'm freaking out. There we go. There we go. You're recent and session top. Jeez, I don't know why it was like that. It's weird. I have no idea why it was like that. It's still broken. What the? Alright. Alright, we good now. We good. Free swag for the trade show. What is all that stuff, dude? Dude, is that the marijuana, dude? Smiley face? Holy crap. Trade shows? Now I've heard it all. Okay. Oh, there's Lily Bangford herself, I think. Or themselves. Wow. Alright, EOS. Add a resistance. Couldn't break it. I think I have the sound effect. No, I don't. I actually don't. It was before that time. This is the old Stream Deck, dude, with lacking many voice features. Or audio features, man. Let's go back to... let's see. So now it's about Litecoin again. It's like, alright, Litecoin on linear. Does seem like it's possible there was an upsloping channel and you hit the top of it. 1Z, 2Z, 3Z, faux. On the 60 minute, you had yourself a little bit of bearish divergence, man. Right? From your high to your higher high, you had lower levels of relative strength, man. Though you did not have that on your MACD, it was evident right here. RSI. So you think about a couple coinciding variables, right? You're above, you're up thrusting above an upsloping channel, and you're showing weakness on not a very significant time scale. But remember, when these impulses begin, right, you start seeing, the divergence first on the 60 minute, and then later, after another run, maybe again on the 4 hour. So it was there. There was, in fact, some amount of TA that was telling you, the chart was telling you, hey, maybe we're exhausted, up thrusting, and it's time to dump. And it did. It did, man. But sorry, I was out hanging out with people and doing things, right? Can't always be here. But the whole point of why I exist is so that I can show you how to do it yourself so you don't need me, right? That's teach you divergence, all this stuff, man. Are we going to 3K? I have no idea. Okay. You don't ask me anything above, the next, I don't know, $1,000, $2,000, man. I don't know, man. I know if we break to the downside resoundingly with volume and follow the price action downside, yeah. I think the next target's probably like 7,200 or something like that. And you break the upside, I think 15K, right? Whichever way this breaks, there are targets. That's it, dude. Targets, both ways. These tales from the crypto. Instead of being scared, you're triggered. All right? Yes, up thrusting. That is an up thrust, High Desert Garden. This is literally the terminology for it. Up thrust or false breakout. Up thrust. When you break resistance, you cannot hold on to it and you dump. Talked about in trades about to happen specifically. David Weiss discusses the upsloping channel, and he also discusses the upthrust of the upsloping channels or downsloping channels to the downside, and how often, it means that there will be a steep reversal to the downside. It is more common that when you break to the upside of these channels, you break back into them violently than you would break to the upside much more violently, right? You see what I'm saying? Read it, man. Go into it. I don't remember what part of the book it is. It's at some point in there when he starts talking about them. Just look it up, okay? Don't forget to hydrate. Matthias, man, you see this bigger than my face? Water. Secrets of Vegas, not to be spoken about, are 1. Do not play beer pong and put beer in your cups when you're playing beer pong at a bar. That's 1. That's literally the only secret rule I know about Vegas. Other than that, I don't know. Don't gamble there. Don't gamble unless you're going to play poker or a game of skill, or you really know how to count cards. I don't even know about that stuff. If you're going to gamble, play a game that you actually know what you're doing instead of letting the house have, the odds. Look, I'm saying, like, if the odds are not in your favor, you have to bet big early, win, and get the F out. Because if you bet small on games where the house have the odds, like blackjack, 4.5% edge for them, you keep playing their game, they're gonna eventually win and beat you. So, but if you're playing poker or something like that, I recommend don't go if you're going to meet up with people to have fun, because you won't want to interact or hang out with them. Okay, like that's why I didn't gamble when I was in Vegas 2 times in August. First time in my life, but twice. I'm just saying, like, I didn't really bet or gamble the first time. I did a couple times, played craps, whatever, like, okay, just hanging out. But the second time, I literally didn't bet at all. But it's just like barely and not at all. And so it's like, because I just know, like, the odds, the chances of you winning are much lower, right? Unless you play a skill game like poker and you're playing against other people, not the house. And so, yeah, don't gamble if you're going with friends unless you all have the same agenda of, like, winning money together at a table playing poker, probably. Okay, that's it. Whew. Holy crap. XRB Zealot, man, am I being bad? So much do you say that, dude? Dang, not cool. Yeah, and don't trust, like, everyone in Vegas is hustling, like, pretty hard. So keep that in mind. Don't let them handcuff you. Whatever, dude. New QB, yeah, Curtis Birdog. It's funny. I could get Florida at -4 with my teaser stuff, and I'm just like, ugh. Tennessee is so terrible, though, and that's what makes me think that they could easily cover it. Okay, I don't know. It's such a bad situation. Jay Frellis, I don't even know what that means, dude. Okay, I'm looking like Colonel Kurtz monologuing from Apocalypse Now. Does anyone even know what that means, dude? Sounds like outer space talk. Drinking my beer. I'm drinking a beer. Like, I don't know, man. I'm being responsible, I guess. Gabba. Big one cash. Sure, yeah. Let me go to the other one. It's weird on the daily. I wanted to show it. It's very interesting. Yes. Bullish Cipher Connect, PCZ Connect, Sideways Connect, Lower High Connect, in an upsloping channel, hitting the heart line and failing. what was it? Bearish hammer, shooting star, bearish engulfing candle, being created on the daily. So not really, it's very meh right now, right? Though you had a bull, like are you in a bull trend? I mean, like, really? It seems like you're not really in a bull trend on Bitcoin Cash. Though you are in like you were in a midterm uptrend, you broke out of it, you formed the harmony, right? But now, like, what's happening? Why is this new wave not able to take off? Well, I'll tell you, it has something to do with you being unable to break back into the upslipping channel, right? Like, look, rejection, like kind of rejection. And now you're just forming maybe a bear pole bear flag. It doesn't really look that good, even with it being a bullish pattern after an uptrend. Just remember, oh my God, lower highs than your previous highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. Oh my God. You see what I'm saying? It really doesn't look that great on Bitcoin Cash. I don't dig it that much, man. Even though I know the pattern's there. It just, to me, is kind of ugly, man. Impulse down, and now you're range bound. You could almost say, whatever, impulse down, bearish rectangle, man. Right? Bearish rectangle or bear flag. Are either bullish? No, they're not. And this is all happening after a huge, on an uptrend that lasted from mid-December all the way up to mid-June. You broke out a regular bearish activity, right? Huge move down, and now you're kind of slightly up sloping. Yeah, you could just say you're going sideways. It's like a bear flag. Whatever, dude. Okay. I'm just saying. Hello? Is anyone there? Maybe. Probably not. Yeah. Oh, thanks for the 217 likes, chat. I appreciate that. That's a lot of likes, man. I mean, for a night stream, shoot, I'm like, it started like an hour and a half late or something. Yeah. Super late. I've been live now for an hour and a half. Holy crap, it's so late. It's freaking 2 a.m. Eastern. Good God. Yeah, the idea of the Head and Shoulders, sure, man, sure. I mean, like, whatever. You can look at it like that. You can also look at it like you were an uptrend, midterm uptrend, long-term downtrend, and you've broken out of the midterm uptrend, and now you're failing and rejecting it multiple times. And it does seem more likely that a break to the downside could occur. All right, seriously. And then you look at it like this, right? We might have gotten there. We might have effing gotten there. We got so effing close, dude. Are you kidding me, dude? Oh my God, we were so close. All right, this is like linear. All right, you broke the downtrend. You're range bound. And you made an 88% retrace, and you rallied. You very close. I mean, 334.31 is where it ended, where it sold off. The PCZ was 339.63. So maybe there's opportunity for it maybe to get up there again, right? I mean, on the 4 hour, there was no bearish divergence. So maybe it rallies once more and we get there. Great shorting opportunity on Bitcoin Cash US dollar at, again, nearly $340. All right. Hype in the chat. There you go, dude. That's it. The mic just cleaned up again. Not anymore, Canatomo. Get out of here, man. It must be terrible at all times. Okay. Dang, Joe Bever, man. Holy crap, man. I don't even know if you're being mean or not. I don't know. Like, dude, I live stream. Hey, dude, you go live stream, man. I want to see what you say. Let me be critical of you, right? I don't know. Go watch Chris Hansen tonight on his stream. You know how many times that guy said Dude, live streaming is not easy, even though some people make it look really easy, like a joke. See what I'm saying, dude? But hey, I'm used to it. I get judged by people every single day of my life from all around the world because of what I do. But you know what, man? I love it. Maybe, there's negative aspects of it, like getting judged like that negatively. But, hey, man, I get to do what I love for a living. I get to know so many good people. I get to meet new, incredible people all the time, like every day, man. And I've just got, that I would have never known if it wasn't for crypto and charts, technical analysis, trading, all that, man. So, I don't care. I don't care. I love it, man. It's a freaking dream, dude. Y'all are all incredible. All right, that's it. What happened to Wells Fargo? Sons of Red? Bitcoin dominance? Yeah, we can look at that. Whatever. Has it continued its descent? Oh, it certainly has. Okay. Yeah. So it's right at that. I don't know if it's being used as support, dude. I really don't, man. Okay. I don't know if technical analysis even works on this. Seems like it kind of is. So take all this with a grain of salt, right? It's just like you're at this support, supposedly. If you look left, right? You sold off, and you're now. It was once a support. You just broke it yesterday. And confirmed with a candle close below it. And now, today, you are rallying and back testing it as a resistance as it was once at a time. Support. You can see, you broke it, back tested it as support, and rallied. Yet, hilariously enough, TA doesn't work, of course. I'm an idiot for even saying it works here. But there was literally bearish divergence on a high to a higher high, clearly. So whatever, man, right? So you got one form of confirmation on a breakout. Second confirmation of a back test. This will take time. We don't know if it will last. It could break back above it and rally again, but for now, it's not the case. Sure, Canatoma, dude. Sure, man. Not. A baseball commentator? I don't even know how that goes, dude. How do baseball commentators commentate on the games, dude? EOS, dude, we looked at EOS literally 20 minutes ago, dude, right? You can rewind the VOD. It's there, man. It's an amenity that is given to ye for free. Can I not rhyme anymore, dude? Alt season certainly not confirmed. Matthias, I don't think it's confirmed at all. How can alt season be confirmed right now? When, yes, you've had a breakout. Fantastic run first 6 months of the year. But you corrected. And I hear you. I hear people when they say altcoin season's here. I get it. Because it's like, all right, I know. We were much higher, and we finally topped out, but we sold off. But the previous impulse, the previous move was bullish. You retraced very well. How well did you retrace on Litecoin from its lowest low to its highest high? You retraced well over 61% of the way. So golden retrace. So it's that's deep enough of a retrace to say that there are people that might have found value in Litecoin at those areas. They found value there, and there was divergence that spoke the truth. To me anyway. If you want to call it something, you can't. I get at this point, I just want you to know on log scale, right? And this is an interesting take that you're not going to get in most places. People look at linear, it's over. Dude, log scale, this was the channel. Fantastical. Log scale Litecoin, downtrend. What has occurred now? Okay. We have run up and tested the down-sloping resistance of the log scale chart, and we have failed to break it. Yet we have not become overbought. We've held on to our positive momentum. But again, rejection at very critical areas. Huh? Hello? Interesting thoughts on Litecoin. You can just as easily say at this point, okay, same trend line on the top, and you can almost say, hey man, it might look a little bit like what? Ethereum. All right, little brother. But for Ethereum on log scale, extremely clear as day breakout. Litecoin, not the same. Okay? Huh. Dang, dude. Very, very cool. We're looking at this together, man. Having a good time. I don't know. Hear this music, man? This is fantastic. I don't know. It sounds so I can barely hear it, but now I can hear it. It's loud. Someone want to join me on a rooftop bar right now, man? Hans in France Radio. I don't think Trump cares about banning cryptocurrency. I don't think he's going to do that in his tenure as president. I think he's got much larger fish to fry. All right. I'm just saying, like propping up the entire New York Stock Exchange, man. All right. Hey, man. Cash right now. And it might, you might hate me for saying it for another year, but cash is the best place to have your money. Just my opinion, right? Like, yeah, be invested in the markets. Of course, have certain positions, whatever, your retirement, all that. But, dude, cash is a great spot to be in. It's a waiting game now, man. Dude, market cycles are a part of a free market, dude. I'm talking like it's gonna happen. 10.5 years deep into it, and it might be a year. It might be a year and a half from now, but. And I know, like, oh, man, people have been saying that for the past 5 years, man. Okay. But, dude, you're getting super deep each year, man. The chances of it happening elevate incredibly. All right. So just money market accounts, cash. Also, of course, you can trade. You have your trading portfolio. You have your retirement portfolio. But you also have, your after that, right? What do you want to do after that, right? I mean, investments in real estate, fine. Okay, no big deal. But cash, man. Be ready. Just be ready. Do not get caught with your pants down when the entire economy crashes. We know history, and it's 6-year average, 10.5-year recovery is where we are. That's extremely deep, one of the longest ever. Oh, yeah, in China, dude, they're like, oh my God. Well, yeah, but banks are defaulting in China already. The small ones are defaulting. Government's having to bail them out.
Tell them to turn on the lights at Birmingham Municipal Airport and Loki NIR coming. Also, now look at the session top price. Kings.
Loki and you are coming? All right, let me text them. Okay, I'm going to text the Birmingham Municipal Airport. Hold on. Well, I'm going to call them. Hello? Turn on the effing lights, okay? Okay. All right, we're good, dude. They're on. Let me know when you land, okay? Volatility Troll, I'm ready to go. Wait, what? Dude, oh my God, dude. 45.97. What is the meaning of that number? 45.97. What does that mean? It can't be a score of a football game. Let me know. Tell me true, Volatility Troll. What is going on, dude? Holy crap. Is Bat retesting the channel? Ooh, I want to look at Bat. Because it could have hit. Nah, I didn't even get close. Yeah, I mean, the pullback was just not even that bad. Bearish Harambe at best. It was trying to engulf. It's not yet. Dude, if Bitcoin holds this Gartley, the 60-minute Gartley, and just stays, like it doesn't become volatile, dude, these alts got a chance to run again, man. We're going to see how a 60-minute Gartley can play. Hey, what was the last effing bullish Gartley we saw in the 60-minute, Logan? And Stay at Home Kings and Cantomo and everyone. Hot as a garden. Once it did the 786, it dumped like $1,000. Holy crap, y'all remember? We looked at it live. Session top present. Oh, okay, that's why. Got you, dudes. Okay, so it was not 45.97 was because look at session top. Volatility Trolls at $188.88. King Logan, do you see this? I think he might lose his mind. Oh my God. Wait, what happened? Anything is possible. It might be true life. It might be real life, dude. Life that is true. Whatever I was saying. Again. So, this is Bat. He goes, I don't know if we looked at it tonight, but, it had this downtrend for so long. It broke it, back tested it, ran again, and then it sold off violently. A regular bearish activity began its attempted rally. Chat, come on. How many times talk about attempted rallies? Attempted rallies will give us B to C, and then we dump harder on the lower high, and then we get near. I'm gonna sneeze. I might not. This is one of those where I don't know. Gosh dang it. I was gonna sneeze. I wanted to. I felt like it, dude. So it never hit the 886. Not exactly. 886 was like 15.023 cents. It got like as low as like 16.35 cents. It was like over a cent off, right? Yeah, that entry, the exact entry. But sometimes patterns just don't get down there. Yet there is always the chance it might happen. You just don't know. You just don't know, man. That's the spam I'm looking for, chat. I'm looking for the spam. Kappa. We had the biggest stimulus package ever released in one day on China ever this year. Yeah, I could see that, man. China's a joke, dude. China's an effing joke financially, economically. Dude, house effing cards. Seriously. The beauty is, most of the world, the Western world, right? Most of us, we're like, our economies are not connected to that bull S. Like, it's straight up bull S, not bull crap. That's the good news. Like, once they deal, they're gonna have to deal with that eventually, I guess. I don't know though, because like, I don't know how it works with a non-free. Like, they're not a free market at all. You have to understand, like, a free market goes through cycles and it's like historical. It makes sense for recessions and crashes and stuff. Over there, dude, they're out of this world. But I just don't know how they're going to be able to get out of it. It seems terrible. Yeah, fake economy, absolutely, dude. The XRP log scale chart, we can show you. Sure, we hadn't looked at it once today. I can't even believe I'm doing it, man. I can't even believe it, man. All right. Looks like almost like today's gains that were so fantastic are nothing. They're nothing, man. Excuse me. I'm in outer space, man. Or is VIX at a low and the TVIX doesn't move? Wasn't the TVIX not leveraged volatility? I can't remember. TVIX. There's the VXX, which is 3-time leveraged VIX. TVIX means lack of volatility, right? Two-time ETN, the TVIX. Wow, man. Try not to yell much if you're falling asleep to the soothing voice of possibility and positivity. Sounds like man, oh my god. Sorry, dude. I'm probably just gonna get out of here in a sec, dude, and just relax. Dude, it's like 2:17 a.m. Eastern right now, dude, right? So, welcome to XRP, back all the way from 2014 to now. It is nigh. It is time. It's now or never for XRP. The upside potential, the top of the channel, if it rallied like it did before, could bring you to levels around $100 or more, man. Okay? Is that soothing enough for you? I'm losing it, man. I'm losing it. I'm just tired at this point. Yeah, big day of the markets tomorrow. Absolutely. So yeah, man, just winding down, losing my ability here. All right, dude. Again, lack of oxygen in outer space, and so I'm just gonna have to call it a good evening. One for the books. And thank y'all for just sticking around. And my God, Volatility Troll killed it tonight. And just thank everyone for the contributions, love, support, everything. It's a freaking honor, man. It really is. And it's a dream that I get to do this. Something I love. And I get to help people. And that's just so cool, dude. Such fulfillment in life, all right? Okay. So I'll just see y'all tomorrow. All right. Thursday, Patreon night. We're gonna party hard again with the peoples. It's gonna be a good one. So until then, respect the TA.